Hi everyone, so I'm giving demonstration for external interrupt today. So as we are already know in the regular lab, we are using Keel Microvision. Okay, open it. Okay, and go to project. Since already it's having one more project, so close that project first. So then go to project again, new Microvision project. Okay, so there you have to give the project name. I mean you have to create your folder. Okay. So create your folder. I will create it as extintr. Okay, it's user defined. Okay, so then file name is also user defined. I'll give as an intr. Okay, save it. Okay, so here you have to select the target device. So we already know the target device as LPC 1768. So select that particular target device. This is the description you are already seen in the regular laboratory, and click on OK, and here you have to select the no. So now we have to write the code for the experiment. For that, click on new. Okay, here you have to type the code. So I already typed the code. I'll copy that code here. So this is the code. So and then now go to file, save as. Okay, and then file name should be so with the extension of C. You have to save this file with the extension of .c. Okay, file name is also user defined. I'll take it as an ec.c. Okay, save it. Okay, so now this is the source one group. So select this, add that created C file to this source group. Right click on this, select add existing files to group source group 1. So select that. So then this is the file C file I have created. So add it once and close it. Check for the availability of that .c file under source group 1. So then we have to include the library files under this. So select this source group 1, right click, add existing files to group. So usually the library files will be in the desktop of every system in the laboratory. Select desktop and go to standard library folder. So since the library file type is .lib files, select this .lib file. So select this start.lib file, add once and close it. Check for the availability of that start.lib file under source group 1. So which is available now. So translate this. So before translate, select this target 1, options for target 1. So device it's automatically selected the target device. So our target device in the laboratory is LPC 1768. So come to output, we have to create the exa of X file for dumping the code from this system to the target device. Hence we have to check this. So then come to the linker, check this, and then click on OK. So now click on translate. Click on translate. Okay, 0 errors and 0 warnings. Suppose if any error is present, we have to go back to the program. We have to rectify the errors. It will clearly indicate the line number also. Okay, then click on the build. So see this, successfully created the X file with 0 errors and 0 warnings. So minimize this Keel Microvision. So then open up this Flash Magic in order to dump the code from PC to the target device. It's opening, and so be careful about this COM port. The COM port must be compatible with this port. Okay, this port. Okay, be careful about this. You people are already know how to check the COM port number of each and every system in the laboratory. Okay, then browse. We have to select the X file. This is the file which is compatible for downloading. So this is the X file. So we have not this one. Okay, so here, okay, enter this. This is the file which I have created for the demonstration. Okay, open it, and this is the X file which I have created. Created. Select that, open it. Okay, so this is the path of the file. Okay, and then click on start. So it's processing. Now it is finished. So in this target device, the external input part is this one. Which is having push button switch. If I press the push button switch, that will indicate the external interrupt has been occurred. If I press that time the LED will glows. Suppose if I press again, the LED will off. So this is what the outcome of this experiment. Thank you all.